Unlocking better sleep. 7 strategies for restful nights. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sleep and recovery. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, we all need quality rest to thrive. So, let's explore some science-backed tips to improve your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Our bodies love routines. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency reinforces your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Your bedroom matters. Make it a cozy sanctuary. Here's how. Dim the lights. Lower the room temperature to around 65 degrees, 18 degrees. Block out noise. Invest in blackout curtains or use white noise machines. Comfortable bedding. Choose a comfortable mattress and pillows. Limit daytime naps. Napping can disrupt nighttime sleep. If you must nap, keep it short, around 20-30 minutes. Watch your caffeine and alcohol intake. Both caffeine and alcohol can interfere with sleep. Avoid them, especially in the afternoon and evening. Wind down. Before bed, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Read a book. Escape into a good book. Practice deep breathing. Relax your mind and body. Avoid screens. Blue light from screens can mess with your melatonin production. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes better sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. Avoid unprescribed sleeping pills. Consult a healthcare professional before taking any sleep aids. Natural remedies like herbal teas or melatonin may be helpful. Conclusion. Remember, quality sleep is your secret weapon for better health, productivity, and overall well-being. Sweet dreams, everyone.